let's read and spell the words. A library. Library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. Library. A park. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. A shop. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. Big. Big. B-I-G. Big. Small. Small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. A supermarket. Supermarket. S-U-P-E-R-M-A-R-K-E-T. Supermarket. Let's listen to the story. Mike and Kelly are at the park. They are looking around outside the playhouse. What can you see, Mike? Asks Kelly. I can see a park, says Mike. I can see a park too, says Kelly. What else can you see? I can see a library, says Mike. I don't want to read a book. I want to eat an ice cream, says Kelly. I can see a shop. It is a small shop. Does it sell ice cream? Asks Kelly. I don't know. Wait! I can see a supermarket. It is big. Great! Let's go to the big supermarket, says Kelly.